Hello! We are going to see today how to put a clock on Windows 10. So to put the clock on Windows 10, I will go on Google, type GitHub XoClock, and in GitHub there is this software XoClock Desktop Clock, which is in fact a GitHub repository, and I am the software developer, so if you have an issue you can contact me. There is on the right hand side the releases panel. You can click it here. There is different version of the XoClock. You take the first one at the top, which is the last version. You click on the file, which is here, the zip file. You click once, then you have download the zip file. You open your folder, then you take your zip file that you want to move everywhere in your computer you want. For me, this will be, for example, in D install. I can go here in the XoClock folder. I will paste my zip file here. I then make a right click, extract to, extract files. So you extract, you know how to extract. Me, I put another name because I have already a folder with this name. Okay. Then the extracted folder is there. You open it. There is a bin folder. Then you have the XoClock executable file. What is important is you can launch it. You can also review the user guide.txt, which explains the different things you can do on the keyboard, but I will just explain you just after. So you double click it on it, and there is this warning message because it is not signed, but so you should click on more info to run it. Unknown publisher, okay, because I do not have enough money to write my name on this. You have to pay to have a certificate, and then run anyway. It's going to run, and it starts by the default to the top right corner. But let's review what can be done before the music ends. So you see here there is a keyboard. So shift left means you press on shift, then you click on left, and you move it here. So shift right like this, up down. So you can move it like this. Okay. You can use the scroll mouse to remove the opacity, to change the opacity. Good. Then Control C. If you put Control C D. No, let's first Control C T. Control C T. If I press Control C T, then I remove Control. If I go on a new file, I paste. There is a time. If I put Control C D, I have the date. D like date. Okay. If I want to double click, if I want to change it to chronometer, I double click like this, and I use a space. Space chronometer is started. Space chronometer is stopped. Space reset. It's like this. Okay. And when it is running, I put Control C. And here I have the current time. Okay. Good. And it's almost the end. Let's change other feature. With F1 you can go to full screen, F2 like this again, and if you can also move it like this with the mouse, and if you want to resize you press R to have this thing here like this. You can have a beautiful clock here, and it's nice. I hope you like it. I am Thierry Bremer, the senior software developer of this great tool. Contact me, like it if you like it, and see you. Bye.